Hello guys, back. Yeah. I'm playing the Rake. It is a Roblox game. I think. Oh, a Roblox horror game. If you don't like bright lights or loud effects, you should probably not watch this. Or scary stuff. Hopefully you guys can hear me. The last time I did a video, I said that my microphone was, but this time I make sure. So, this game is very, very fun. So, it's a very bright lights in the first person, but I will make it the third person, like person Q. See what I mean? And nope, you get nauseous by shaking your mouse around. Very scary. I have warned you. Here's some guys. This game is trying to survive the Rake. You can hear scary music when he comes close, or heartbeats. That's probably. And once it becomes daytime, you can go to the shop. You get 100 points if you win. Scary music comes, and suggest you follow people. Okay. There's a shop. I will show you. I don't know where it is, but I'm gonna follow this guy. You survive. Yep, like I said, loud noises. Okay, I think they actually updated the game. Oh wait, no, that was this. The game is extremely fun. My friend school does play it, but I'm probably not on a server. It seems not your biz. Know your biz. Short for not your business. Okay, I don't think I won't be buying anything this time. It's daytime. Oh yeah, you go in here, you can find a radio. And also when you don't, so you cannot get negative points, but when you, the power can go out, and this is a safe house, and when the power, and if you lose points. If you win, you gain 100. Someone's getting the power. So for this night, we're all good. Hello, anyone there? I'm in Daniel's account.
Get out of it then.
Okay, so sorry guys, but I have to switch accounts since Armand's friend is over and I'm in someone else's account. I'm trying to get out. Okay, I'm back. Then, sorry for doing all this. I didn't waste about a minute, but now we'll get back. And trust me, guys who like this. I'm gonna do about maybe 5 more minutes of this. And then I'll end the episode. Again, if you guys skipped the last part, this has bright lights, scary very scary and loud noises. You may get nauseous, flashing lights. I have to press this. If someone is bad and they can't press that, you shouldn't. If you have something like epilepsy or something like that, and you can't handle bright lights, do not press that unless you can handle it. Again, back. The game has not loaded in completely. Maybe the people have, but the ground hasn't. Your stamina, you can see on the bottom left corner. Cannot see a thing. Now all the noise cut out. Okay, might be one of those good servers. Again, I am sorry. I will try to find a server that works. Now that I show my YouTube channel. Okay, well, I can't. Hit the like button for more. Hopefully, talking will work. Leave a comment if you can hear. Again, I'll ask my friend tomorrow. Hot chocolate. Rendering. Okay, try to make this fast. I really want you guys to. Really want to show you guys this game and how scary it is. And bright flashing lights might get nauseous and scary. Very scary. One of those games where they'll leave a warning, but they don't. It's the power station, which I'm going to hang out at, so probably people are over here. Okay, just stand there when the power's on, it will electrocute you. Try to stay alive. Oh yeah, tip, if you play this, you cannot outrun the rake. Well, you might, but most of the times you can't. Unless there's other people and they're the bait. Nothing happens when they do that, I think. The game is a little laggy, but you'll have a good picture. You press Q, go in third person, but makes you less scary. Leave a comment if you next time you want me to do it like this. Okay, this might be a different language. Maybe. I think this guy might, since his name is okay, I'm not going to bother you guys. It's all over here. They have updated it. They do update the game. Yeah, it's always nighttime. Unless it's daytime, but it really doesn't come out at day. Let's just get a compass. One of the best things. It'll tell you where to go. You cannot buy radios. Only the safe house you can find a radio. Also, jumping will not make you go faster. Yeah, I think they updated it. So the running, you have more stamina, but it regens much less. And here's some like that. That means you're close. The rake is close, I think. and scary music. There's scraps you can find on trees or something like that. Then you get paid. Guess you go up the tower, but I know the trick. I don't know where the safe house is, I think. Yep, I knew it. Okay, hold each and knock. Okay, here's the radio. Okay, just put your name daytime. Here, I'm gonna try to get to the shop so I can buy something and show you guys. This is Rake's cave where he comes to respond, I'm pretty sure. Okay, leave a like if you enjoy. There it is. Buying shopping thingy. But you cannot buy anything during daytime. I found a hint. There's like a piece of scrap metal and you just go forward to get there. So you could buy a compass, which I'm gonna go buy. And then also I'll buy actually I don't know. So I think I did the game. Like that, and that they added. Oh no, bear traps, that's the thing they added. Yeah. Okay, hold up. The mouse is freaking out. 210, I think. Yeah, it's around here. Yeah, run for it. There's the watch that tells you when where the night's going to end and when the night starts. When daytime tells you when it starts, nighttime tells you when it's going to end. I think it's like 5 minutes. It's a couple minutes. That's how long it is. Yeah, safe house right here. Guys, so this is a huge tip. I'm gonna shut the door for now. Dave's night security. And the right can also break through the roof. Yeah, that sound always gives you. Down. Oh yeah, do not do that. Don't waste